morning and welcome to Maidstone Leisure Centre. We've come here because there's a really cool new soft play. What's the soft play called? Amazon Soft Play, and they've got these really cool volcano slides that we've just seen. So let's go in and check it out. They're well cool slides. Oh, look at that, Zack. What are you going to do? You're going to do the volcano slides. Look. Whoa, hot lava. Hot lava. Woohoo! Do you like that? What one should we do now? What lava slide shall we do next? Yeah? Go on then, sit down. Is your helmet in your eyes? There you go. Right, ready? Go on then. Oh, that was well good fun. That looked great, didn't it? I think this one's going to be good. This one's got a bit of a bump in it, so this one looks quite steep. Should we do this one? This one looks really cool. This might be faster. Go!
Wow, that's a bit quicker, wasn't it?
Oh, this one looks good. Ready, steady, go!
Wow, that was quite good, wasn't it?
Right, ready? Go, go, go!
Wow! Wow, that was good.
So, can you build with them? They look like Lego bricks. Whoa! Go on, Zack, climb! Can you get... Go on, Zack! That's enough. Zacky! Come down
There's a
the
fan in there!
Wow! Go on then. Oh, you got black lights, that's so cool.
Yeah. Lights on the fan!
Whoa, that's scary. Oh my god, I don't like that. Is there another glass floor? Here. Whoa, look, it's a big well, look how far down that goes. Oh my life, I don't want to tread on that. That's amazing. How far down is that?
Is it really? Is it
I can't even see the bottom of that, Zack. Another one. Wow.
Look, Daddy.
Wow, I like this tube.
I can see this through the window.
There's a window. Oh my god. Look, I can see Mummy.
Look out for this window.
There's one up here, look.
Well, there's one back here, Daddy.
Well, like that.
Yeah. And you can kick.
Oh, this is too small for me, Zack. Oh my god. Definitely not the best way to get through a tunnel. On your back. Whoa, look, there's lava down here. Look, can you cross that?
No.
Can you cross the lava? Ready, steady, go. Oh, wow. Shall I spin you? Oh my life. Look at that, I like that. It says north, south, east and west. Is that a compass?
Yeah, it looks like a compass.
Looks like a compass, doesn't it? Wow, you're walking on the compass. I don't know if that is a climbing wall, is it? Whoa, be careful. Over the lava. Zack, can you jump from one side to the other without touching it? Ready, steady, wow. Wow. Sorry. Can I see you? Through the window? Hello. Over the logs. Over the logs. Oh my god. Oh, he's fallen. Oh. Let's go. Ah, he's rolling. Oh my leg. There's some bones. Look. Whoa. Look, these are torches. Look. They're on fire. That's what the camera is then. Face, that's what that camera is. There's a screen over here. Zack, go and put your face up against that camera and I'll see it. I want to see your head. Look into it. Say hello. Can I talk through here? Hello, Zacky. Here, mate. Wow. Zack. Wow. And let's open up the mummy. You tried to shut yourself in there with the mummy. Zack, can you open that one?
That one. Ta-da!
Oh, I like that. See all them coins? What's in here? There's a screen there, Lisa, of like bugs. This is a very cool soft play. One of the best I've been in. Oh look, what's that? Look, there's a giant bug. Get the bug. Whoa! What is this thing? Where did you go? Where did you go? I can't find you. Oh wow, it's an aeroplane. So you're in an aeroplane and you're up high. Look. You can see below. Zack, can you fly the plane? Look, put the door on. Put the door on. That's it. What a good plane. And you put your legs outside, that's cool. Look, and you can see below. Look how far down it is. Look, that lights up. Whoa.
It lights up, Mummy.
That's very cool lava. Oh, the fans are on. Zack, the fans are working. Oh, that feels so nice. Oh. Love it. Oh, that's cool. Zack, there's a slide over here, look. Really cool slide. Are you talking into that fan? Hey Google. Oh, it stopped. Look at this slide. What a cool slide. Whoa! Way! Oh, wow! That's so cool. Oh, over the log. Don't get wet. Well, what's in here? This looks scary.
Ready?
Where is it? Lightning?
Ready? Put your hands on your ears.
Whoa! I love the thunder. That is so cool. I love it. Whoa! That is some awesome thunder. Whoa! You got ball pit? Whoa!
That's snooker.
Yeah, like a pool table. So should I press the thunder again? Ready, steady. Very cool. Whoa, you fell over.
You bury yourself.
Wow.
But come look at this.
Go on then, let's go. Oh wow, what is that?
A mirror. And you can see very far down there.
What is that? It's an Indiana Jones style ball.
Yeah.
How cool is that?
That's cool.
So you can sort of duck underneath before it hits you.
Yeah.
They really look like stones, don't they? But they're soft.
Yeah, they're quite
Yeah, it's really good this. Oh my life, that goes a long way. That's good, isn't it? There we go. Wow! Oh, he nearly hit me. Go, go, go. Whoa, oh my god. That was hard. Whoa. Hey, can you see the lizards on that? Spin. Whoa.
What's this? And Mummy?
Wow. Right, go on. Where does that go? It's getting dark through there. It spins.
And it goes to the glass.
Oh, I like this. It's like being inside a tomb. Wow. Where does that go? There he is.
You can see the window from this.
Alright, go on then. Go, go, go. Wow. Wow. That looks awesome.
That's it. Go, go, go. Whoa!
Sweet. Oh, wicked. That's pathetic. Wow. Hey, go.
Wow! You got backwards.
He's gone backwards. Oh my god. No? Is that too small for you now? I like this pinball machine, is that? Look. Very cool. Wow. You've got a twister lolly. That looks lovely.
And the red bit at the top.
Yeah. What else have they got here? Look. They've got a hot tub and they've got a splash pad over there, which looks really cool. They've got little slides. It's really, really cool.
I like the volcano slide.
The volcano slide going down in lava, was you?
Is that cold?
Yeah. Did you go into a soft play? It's called Amazon Soft Play. Did you?
Is it in?
Amazon Soft Play. It's that. Did you like that?
Yeah.
What's your favourite bit in the soft play?
Do you like the thunder?
Yeah.
I like the thunder.
Is it a bit loud?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Did you like the lava slides?
Yeah, one of these.
They're very cool, aren't they?
Yeah, there's so many water coming out.
They should turn it into a water ride.